Your Excellencies, I would like to begin with congratulating President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, his government and his leadership for organizing and hosting D-8 summit. And also would like to thank President Sisi for a very warm and generous welcome given to us here in this beautiful city of Cairo, and a new capital which has been built, giving a wonderful scenic beauty all around. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important platform for development and cooperation between all of us. And this meeting is taking place at a very critical juncture, as honorable speakers have just mentioned, that ceasefire in Gaza is so important that without that, peace and prosperity and progress, not only in the region, but globally, will not be possible. And therefore, I would, in all humility, urge my brother presidents, prime ministers, ambassadors and excellencies sitting in this room, that while we discuss today's agenda, deep insight, it is equally important, if not more, to discuss the situation in Gaza, the peace in ceasefire in Lebanon, and potential threat of Israel's carnage in this area and the world over. We shall discuss this subject today in a special session, and I would like to appreciate the sagacity of President of Egypt, Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, to have allocated a separate session for this burning issue. Excellencies, I would also like to avail of this opportunity to welcome our brotherly country, Azerbaijan, as a new member of D-8, and I'm sure that under the able leadership of my dear brother, President Ilham Haider Aliyev, Azerbaijan will play a very important role in achieving the objectives of the D-8. Congratulations. The theme of this year's summit, while focusing on investing in youth and supporting small and medium enterprises, serve as a blueprint for our collective prosperity in the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, youth and SMEs are key drivers of economic development of any society. Youth brings energy, fresh ideas, and creativity, whereas small, medium enterprises create jobs, foster innovation, and promote entrepreneurship. By investing in both, we can build inclusive and robust economies that are ready for the global challenges of today and tomorrow. For D-8 member states, empowering youth and entrepreneurship presents an opportunity to harness the power of our young population and create environments where small business can thrive. Excellencies, for Pakistan, investing in youth and supporting SMEs is crucial for our socio-economic development and progress. With over 60% of our population under the age of 30, we possess fountain of potential for innovation and growth. However, unlocking this potential requires providing the right skills, opportunities, and financial resources. Through our flagship youth program, my government is committed to providing quality education, create jobs, and offer productive opportunities. Since 2013, this program, under the leadership of my brother, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, has distributed over 600,000 laptops to high achievers, awarded hundreds and thousands of education scholarships, and trained a huge cohort of individuals in demand-driven skills such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, and cyber security. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is home to one of the largest freelance communities in the world. We are focusing on IT trainings at a mass scale to equip our youth with necessary tools to connect with digital world and capitalize on the opportunities with the aim to enable job seekers to become job creators. Our youth business and agricultural loan scheme has disbursed billions in loans, enabling young Pakistanis to start and scale their own businesses. Additionally, our initiatives such as Startup Pakistan and the National Innovation Award aims to foster, recognize, and promote a promising startup ecosystem, providing mentorship and funding incubation opportunities for innovative tech-driven ideas. Excellencies, today's summit offers here in Cairo a valuable opportunity for D-8 countries to share best practices, pool resources, and create programs that support youth and small-medium enterprises across borders. I am happy to announce that our cabinet in Pakistan has approved the implementation of the D-8 preferential trade agreement as well as its protocol on dispute settlement mechanism. Excellencies, connectivity is a force multiplier and is rightly hailed as a vehicle for peace and prosperity. As emphasized in the Dhaka Declaration earlier in 2021, we need to explore the possibilities of developing and enhancing transport connectivity among D-8 member states for building efficient intra-trade corridors and reliable supply chains. In this behalf, Pakistan, Iran, and Turkey corridor is an excellent project for very efficient connectivity. Ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, I recall James Russell's words, "Once to every man and nation comes a moment to decide, offering each the bloom or blight. The choice we make today will shape the destiny of generations to come. Let these be choices to elevate young voices, empower their dreams, and support their enterprises to ensure that our future is in the hands of an empowered generation."